Welcome back. I've got the second of the Harry Potter books here. This one is the Hogwarts Moments Defence Against the Dark Arts class. On the website it just calls it Defend class because obviously that's one heck of a moniker. It retails in the UK for $24.99, has 257 pieces, so about 10 pence per piece, and it comes with 3 minifigures. You've got Professor Mad-Eye Moody, Neville Longbottom and Hermione Granger. And it looks pretty sweet, to be fair. Got the black book there, and the little book it says The Dark Mark. On the top of the box it's telling you to collect them all, and it has this one. It has the divination class, and then what I think of the herbology and the potions from the original release, but I'm not 100% sure. And on the back you can see all goes together. Quite a bit going on in this one, which surprises me because it's a fairly low piece count. So larger pieces maybe, we will find out. Oh, and it looks like we've got a Barty Crouch head as well for Mad-Eye. Ooh, intriguing. Breaking. Maybe a couple of bags I would have thought. Everybody out, everybody out. So, bag 1, bag 2. Big piece for the spine. Got the back of the book and the front of the book there with the Hogwarts print on, which I've got upside down. There we go. Sticker sheet. Oh, quite a few stickers in this one. I do like we've got the chalkboard there with the, what does that say? The unforgivable curses from when he asked them. That's the logo for the side of the book. Quite a bit going on sticker wise, and a little A5 size, or just over A5 size book. Firms there that it should be 2 bags. And it steps you through. Oh, you did the spine fairly early on this one. So we start off with the book outer and then build the book inners. That's all the bits and bobs. Got a little minifigure running across the bottom, which is Hermione, showing you how far in you are. Oh, a lot going on here. And then, of course, how to pack it all together so that the book closes properly. Or not, as the case may be. And then at the back basically shows the divination classroom, and this one the hospital wing set and the trunk set, and then the ones that came out last summer, the Great Hall and the Fluffy Encounter and all the other bits and pieces. I think that one's called the Chamber of Secrets in its set. Can't remember. And your kit list at the back. Obviously, product feedback on the back of the booklet. Not massive builds, they don't take a long time, but I really appreciate the playset value on these. I'm quite obsessed with these little books. They are quite small, but it shouldn't come as a surprise when you see them next to the minifigs, especially when you figure that these have got the little itty tiny legs, because of course they're representing children, so you know that the figures may be 1 inch tall, so that gives you an idea, and it's pretty close, So half an hour, give or take 5 minutes, and it will all be done and dusted. So I'm going to go away, get this bill, and I'll be back in a little while and I'll let you know what I thought of it. We got 35 minutes again, so we'll call that half an hour because it's a nice easy round up. But we'll look at the minifigures first. So we've got Neville Longbottom with his little surprised face, and it's the standard Gryffindor robe print. I'll just pop his hair off. You can see that Neville does have a smiley face, but seeing as it's defence against the dark arts, and we know which story this one is from, he looks a bit shocked. And we've got Hermione Granger, quite a short hairdo. If we pull that off, you can see got an angry face, and then the smiley face, and it's the same back print as Neville. And this is a cool one. Mad-Eye Moody with his wooden leg. He's got his staff there, little glass of polyjuice potion. That's what the front of the robe looks like. And the back's just a really straightforward print. So you've got the Mad-Eye face. Now I take the hair off and we'll actually spin the head round and put a different hair on. And it's Barty Crouch Jr. Do you like that little twist to it? We're going to put him as Mad-Eye for the purposes of this particular build. So there he is. And the bits and pieces of build, a couple small seats, really simple build but effective. Skull bench. Put things on there. This is one of my favourite bits. This is the little trunk, but when you open it up, it's got a tiny little Mad-Eye Moody figure. Because of course it's a magic trunk, so it's right down at the bottom. An oubliette. The teacher's desk, so you've got a little platform there, and the desktop to put things on. That little jar, and you've got a spider after his Engorgio to make it a nice big one so they can all see. We have a little book, and because it's Defence Against the Dark Arts, this one is all about the Dark Mark, what it is and how it works. Got the little chalkboard there with Moody's name at the top and then Unforgivable. The curses. Bring this in, and you've got the actual build itself, a hinged book. So this side we've got what I presume is his horoscope, some little potion bottles down the bottom here. This side you've got a magnifying glass and a goblet. Can I just mention that it's Lego, the magnifying glasses work. This side, in the middle, you've got quite a large section with the fire in. All sorts of bits and pieces going on there. But it's mainly stickered, so it looks a lot more detailed than it really is. And then on this side, you've just got stickers, so there's nothing actually built into this side of the book. And just a quick look at how it goes together against the spine and opens out. So we're now going to try and fold this all up. So the little book slides into shelf space there. That's the first thing we need to do. And then this bit folds in like so. Apparently that bit folds in like so. So that forms the middle of the book. And we get the bench and the little seats pushing underneath. Do-de-do. And that clips on there. Do-de-do. So then close that up. They don't seem to sit very snugly. And the book, oh, that might be why. There we go, push that back a bit. There we go, that fits better. And then that goes on top of there. So far so good. Take the spider off. Turn it upside down. And it must be that way. That way. No. Take the glass bottle off. And yeah, that fits quite nicely once you take the glass bottle off. So I'm going to say, as nothing else goes in there, I probably put the glass bottle in the wrong place. So I'm just going to pop that on top of the trunk. I'm going to pop the spider on top of the trunk. And then this goes in upside down there. I think, ladies and gentlemen, boys and germs, apart from adding these to the back of it, I do believe we are done. It actually packs away very, very neatly and tidily, and it works. Just put these little jumpers on the back, and that's so that you can connect all the books to it. Never gonna do. So that's what it looks like, all fastened up, and with slightly more space on the top, so you can put Hermione, Mad Eye, Neville, on the top of the book. Can't see that there. Here, on the top of the book. So that is the Hogwarts Moment Defence Against the Dark Arts class, set 76397, retails in the UK for £24.99 and has 257 pieces. So thank you very much for watching that video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye bye.